Hey, what's up humans? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys a little bit of a different video. This is a haul video for some soap making supplies that I got in the mail. I was just really excited about it for some reason. So I thought I'd just share my excitement with you guys and just kind of show you what I got so that when I make a future soap making video, if you're interested in those, you kind of know exactly what I'm using. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with the stuff that's closest to me and kind of work my way around. I know you guys can't see what I got going on. I'm back this way behind the camera, but I got some stuff here. So first off, I got all these pictures here, and I'll zoom you guys out a bit. And these are, they have this nice little spout on it so that I can pour it into my mold container. And so I'm super excited about these. I got 5 of them, so that will be fun. And I'm even gonna zoom you guys out even further here. I hope you like dragons. This is where my Dremel sits, is on this thing. So next thing I got here is I got this tube mold for like moons and stuff, and all this stuff is off of Amazon. Yeah, so I'm excited about that as well. So this is the cutter that I bought off Amazon, and this came with the mold. And so this is the brand, and it came with a couple of knives. This one fits into the slots, but they also gave me this one for like crinkle cut, but it doesn't fit, so I can't even use it unless I use it over here. But I'm not like a fan of these anyways. I think it looks kind of tacky to have the ridges on it, and that's just a personal taste. So yeah, and it has these adjusters here so that I can adjust the size of it, and it has this slicey thingy on the bottom to flatten the faces of them. So that's nice. So that cutter also came with this stamp that says, it says handmade and natural soap. Let's see it this way. Handmade natural soap. I might use this, but I might not, because since it came with this kit, it might be something that that a lot of people use on their soaps, and I don't want to be too basic. So that exists. It also came with these cute little baggies and these spatulas, a little drizzler, and then the squeegee spatch. And then this is the mold that I got. Well, okay, so this is a 2-pound mold, I think. It might be 2.5 pounds. So it will hold a lot more soap than my other, like, moisturizer container that I was using. So this will be fun. It comes with this box around it on the bottom. And so this has a little trouble releasing, but hopefully when there's soap in there, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. And it comes with this cover too, so that you can pop that on. You got your soap in there, and then it stays all nice. And then I got these boxes for the soaps, and they have like a little window in them. And so I'll put those together, and I'll make sure that my soaps don't go too far over the mold, so that works. Now to get into my soap bases that I got. Now there's a couple of things that I don't have in the mail yet, like I got some Stevenson Singapore base that I'm going to use for some shampoo bars, and then I got some K3 or you know, the CAY to the 3rd power like African black soap crumbles. So those are the 2 like soap things that I don't have in yet, but I have everything else. So while we're talking about molds, This is a ring mold that I got because I wanted to try to make a Lord of the Rings Dungeons and Dragons soap, and I thought I'd use the little ones to make little golden rings to pop on top of my non-frosting soaps. I was thinking like maybe it'll be half submerged in some melt and pour that are like lava colors, but we'll see how that turns out. I still need to make molds of Dungeons and Dragons dice. So yeah, I'm a big nerd over here. You know, you've seen my channel. I like Robin of Sherwood and martial arts movies and all sorts of nerdy stuff. So this is my African black soap Stevenson melt and pour that I got. You can see right here is where wow, African black soap. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys so you can kind of see what we got here, since it is a soap base. You know, got little trickles on the lid, that's all fine and dandy. And then this is what the African black soap looks like. A lot of people are like, oh, in the reviews they're like, oh no, this isn't dark enough. This isn't African black soap. What are you doing? It smells like something. And I will say it has like a very slight lemon scent. But that's totally normal for African black soap. They tend to put stuff like lemon and stuff in there. And this isn't a true, tried and true African black soap. This is a melt and pour base. And so, in turn, it cannot be. It is a glycerin soap that has had your shea husks, coconut husks, and other botanicals mixed into it for you as a ready-made soap, so that it's not like super difficult for you to formulate it. You just melt it down, add your colors and your goodness of your smells, and it's all good. I also got this foaming bath butter here that I was thinking about using for either just like some scented foaming bath butters with like some glitter in them, or like some sugar scrubs. I was also thinking maybe doing a little bit of frosting on some bars, but not the Lord of the Rings soap. Unless I make like little black lumps in the soap for like lava tracks, like lava that has hardened into stone, so the obsidian. I might use this for that. Maybe. We'll see. I also got the Primal Elements Moisturizing Crafters Clear Soap Base. So it's not like super clear, as you could see. It's kind of like yellowy, but you can see my hand through it, and that's all fine and dandy. Something that you can do with kind of yellow melt and pour like this is add like the tiniest bit of blue to your mix, and it'll at least make it not so yellow. But even if you get an ultra clear soap base, it's still going to yellow over time, so this doesn't bother me too much. There were some bad reviews on Amazon because it was yellow, but everybody said the lather was great, and I have no problem with the soap being a little yellowing. That's totally normal. And so this is 5 pounds. And then I also got this triple soap base. It's got mango, shea, and cocoa butter in it, also from Primal Elements, and these are both SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate soaps, glycerin based. You know, they got all that stuff in it, so you know, put those there. And then I got my colorants here. Another thing that I'm waiting for is I have some other colorants by the same brand that are neon fluorescent colors, and those haven't come in the mail yet either, but those are the same brand, also from Amazon. Unfortunately, with the neon colors, I accidentally purchased the $12 3-gram jars instead of the $15 10-gram jars, so you guys can do the math there. I really didn't get a good deal on the other neon colors, but these ones I got the 10-gram jars. And I'll just take out the whole thing to kind of show you guys the colors that I got. So I have a, arrangement of colors here. Got a sparkly black and a true black. Looks like the white here is super glittery. All of my greens are super glittery, so that is what it is. Looks like this here, this red here could be a little less glittery. I like glittery. I know that most of my viewers are men though, and you guys might not like glittery, but I don't really care. I love glitter. So this is my big messy pile of all this stuff. Yeah. So now you guys get to see the fun part, which is all the scents that I got. So the first scent that I got, and these are all from Nature's Garden, is 4 ounces of the Lunar Eclipse soap. Now, I love this scent. It's a really good unisex, like, fresh scent. It's so good. Let me just sniff it for you guys again. Oh, it's so delicious, this smell. So I got a soap from Royalty Soaps 4 years ago, I think. That was like a Harvest Moon soap where she used this scent, and it was so delicious smelling. And then I was conserving the soap because I love the smell so much, and then I ended up losing it. So I went out and I got this scent for myself. I went back and watched her tutorial on that soap and got the smell because I just love the smell. I also got Crackling Firewood, and this is like a really nice, like, sweet kind of piney, the firewood smell. It'll smell a lot better when it's went into some soap, but I do like that smell. And then I got pomegranate because I wanted to try it out, and you know, again, I think that this one will smell a little better in soap. It doesn't smell like pomegranate, it smells like pomegranate scent, but it's nice and prickly and zesty. And I do like it. It's not my favorite fruity scent that I've ever smelled, but I've not smelled very many pomegranate scents, so I might be a little bit uneducated on what to look for in that kind of a scent. And then I got mulled cider. Now, when I got the soap from Royalty Soaps like forever ago that used the Lunar Eclipse soap, I also got her like apple cider soap that she launched at the time, and she used the farmhouse cider scent, but I saw a video of her later on where she used the mulled cider scent, and she said, "Oh my god, guys, it's so amazing, you guys gotta try it, you gotta smell this." So I got it, and it came with this little doodad on it. I think it was because it was like leaking or something, but this is as opposed to the farmhouse cider. The farmhouse cider is more of a sweet kind of like childhood cider smell. You like those packets that you get. And this one, this is more like a clove, spicy, robust cider to put some hair on your chest cider, and I do like that smell. Another smell that I got that spilled in shipping, so the label is a little is the pine forest smell. I didn't have a pine smell. I purchased all these essential oil scents, and pine was one of the ones that didn't have much of a smell in it, but this one is a really lovely prickly pine smell. It's super like fresh but also zesty. Also reminds me a little bit of this Crackling Firewood, and like it's got a burning little sweetness, little kind of a smell to it that's really quite exquisite. And then I got the Champagne Pear scent. And the Champagne Pear, you know, there's all these different pear scents for me to choose from, but I was actually looking for a champagne scent, but Nature's Garden didn't have the champagne scent that I was looking for. I was looking for a farmhouse champagne, and I think that was on Brambleberry, and I wanted to get everything from the same scent person, so I looked up champagne. This is all that they had, and it's nice. It's, well, it's a little bit cleaning product-y, but it does smell like it could really improve with sitting in the soap base, because the soap, I feel like, kind of gets rid of those more acidic kind of vomity scents. And then my last scent that I got is Nature's Garden Acai Berry. And guys, oh my gosh, this is my favorite one. Oh my god. It's like, it smells just like, oh gosh, what is it called? Vitamin water. It smells just like the acai berry vitamin water. It is so delectably delicious. You can really smell that, like, kind of blueberry-ish smells to it. It's just, oof, just phenomenal. And then my final item that I have for you guys in this haul, that I got more for, like, skincare purposes, but also you can use it in soap making, so I thought I'd, include it in this, because I might use it to mix with the colorants so that they're more blended, but I usually would mix the colorant with the, scent, but sometimes I won't. Sometimes I want to mix the scent in first. So I got this prickly pear seed oil from Dr. Adorable. And prickly pear seed oil is really good for your skin. It's got vitamins E and K in it, and, near omega fatty acids, and it's just good stuff. So that is my haul for you guys. You'll probably be seeing some soap videos coming out with this stuff later in life. So if you guys want to see kind of what designs I end up going with for these smells, with these soaps and these colors and all that jazz, just keep an eye out for that on my channel, if that's something that interests you. I really appreciate you guys watching this far. If you have watched this far, I would appreciate it if you would like this video, maybe subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content, Opal content. I also do, like AI videos, and there'll probably be other types of videos coming out on my channel in the future, because I kind of do whatever I want on my channel, and I'm a crafter as heck. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post pretty regularly. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time that I make a video.